Hi everyone, I am Saeid Shirazi and welcome to Blockchain and Smart Contract Security course. This is an exciting new course that covers everything about blockchain and smart contract fundamental and look at all defenses, attacks and vulnerabilities and some exploit in both blockchain technology and smart contracts. So whether you're new to blockchain or smart contract, don't worry about it. I cover requirement stuff. So this first module all about fundamental of blockchain and smart contracts. I hope to enjoy it and join me into this journey. If you are familiar with Bitcoin, you have probably heard of this phrase blockchain. After all, blockchain technology is responsible for Bitcoin current success. So what exactly is blockchain? Blockchain is a public ledger of information gathered by a network built on top of the internet. Its revolutionary potential is due to the way it records information. Blockchain protects us from altering or erasing data on a system. Blockchain technology can be used to create applications such as social network, gaming, and commerce portals, among other things. It's analogous to Internet in this regard. Whenever someone sends money, I mean create a transaction, and their send is truthful, and there is a hash created. A hash is like a secret word that you can only remember if you combine a few other words you always know. By combining some of the information about a recently solved math problem and some information about the current transaction, we can ensure that no one can fake our transaction again, not even yourself. Each transaction is contained with some notes about that recently solved math problem. These notes are called blocks. When we hash the blocks and the transaction together, it creates a chain with links that are impossible to replace without going back and doing all the math problems again and convincing all of the other people that you are new. Replacement work is the real work. This is the virtually impossible. So transaction and block are not able to be faked or undone. So thank you for attention. If you like these videos and found them useful, please like and subscribe to my channel InfoSecTube and click the bell icon to get new videos updates. Thanks.